All right, guys, $62 almost later. 62 bucks even. And we are at a full tank. How many miles do you guys think we got? I'm gonna guess 350. Oh, look at that, y'all. 351 miles. I guess 350. Your boy is a good guesser. 350 miles. Let's get rolling. Guys, the light's green. Let's go. Nobody's turning. Promise you that. Oh, look at that drop top M4. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. And that was scary. And that's what I get for talking to. I'm like, oh, nobody's turning. Oh, I almost hit that curb. That's crazy. That was a lot going on right there, y'all. That was a lot going on. Oh, they just got their M4. It's nice. Traffic again. All right, well, you're gonna let me over because you saw my blinker. That's why you're going to let me over. To do all that braking back there, you make sure you brake. Don't worry. Speed trapped over here all the time. right, guys, there you have it, man. Another wonderful POV drive with the F90, man. This car is just unmatched, unbeatable. The perfect all-around sedan, man. It is a little dirty now. Came up here in the boonies, but just enjoying the beautiful lake view, man. Gonna sit, think to myself, you know, have some good ideas, man. But I want to say thank you so much, guys, for all your subscribers. Look at all the flies that's already on here. Yeah, I need to roll that window up. Holy cow, the flies are they're attacking this car. Let me roll these windows up real quick. Probably fish flies, huh? But I do want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you guys have been rocking with me. And I'm sorry I'm so late on the POV drive. We'll get more POV drives because I know that's what y'all want. But can y'all please do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit the like. Make sure you hit the comment, man. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to make this to where like I can post all the time and I never have a limit on how much I can post or what I can do. I want to do this. This is what I want to do. And I need you guys' help to make it happen, man. So if you guys can go ahead and leave a like and a comment, a subscribe, and even share the video, man, repost the video, and go follow me on all my car social media pages, on TikTok, Instagram, and I do post a lot about this car on Snapchat as well. If you want to see like behind the scenes of the video before it posts or any of that, man, just go ahead and go over to my Snapchat, my Instagram, and my Facebook, where I am a lot active at. But with that being said, man, thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.